Yeah, we're just kidding.
Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it is your first time. It is me, Monica, with Monica Nicole Hair. This video was so highly requested on Instagram. I had to take the time to make it for you guys, but finally I've done it. So in this video, we are going to be doing a half or flip over wig, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be doing that installation with a 2-strand twist in the front. So this is how I created the look. You can see that my hair has been freshly washed, and I am transitioning from natural, to natural, I'm sorry. So I got some straight hair going on. I got some curly hair going on. It's okay. But what I did was went ahead and parted my hair into 2 sections, pulled it back into a ponytail, and then popped that wig on, which was really super easy. It has combs inside as well as clips, so it was easy to pop it on. What you see me doing here is adding a little bit of our Edge Control Excellent Edges, and I'm gonna use that to slick my hair down. And then with my part, I did over direct it a little bit. So basically I curved it towards the back so that the hair would overlap on the wig, and you may be able to see a little bit better what I'm talking about here in just a second. I made sure that my natural hair was gonna come up above the wig, and then I went in and started my two-strand twist. And I do apologize that the camera cut this off a little bit, but you'll be able to see it better when I start the other side. I was trying to record for YouTube and for Instagram at the same time, so it got a little sketchy, but this is definitely just some basic 2-strand twist, and I did add a little bit of the hair from the wig into the twist to add extra security, but also to help it look more blended and more flawless. And it was nice because even though my hair is straight, I was able to wear this curly unit pretty much effortlessly, without trying to like force the curls or braid it down or twist it or curl it or anything. And I really like this natural look that I was able to achieve with this unit, even though my hair is straight. Now that side is twisted back, we're just gonna smooth it out a little bit. And then I'm gonna come to the other side and basically do the same thing. I separate a section of the wig and pull it forward. And then on this side, I'll actually clip it back so it's easier for you guys to see what I'm saying. But it was a really simple and fast style. I only 2x the speed when I was editing this video. So in real time, it literally took me about 15 minutes to do this. Now, granted, if you are not familiar with doing the 2-strand twist, and I'm gonna try to have this zoomed in so you guys can see. If you're not familiar doing the 2-strand twist, it may take a little bit of practice, and you can actually just do it on your natural hair before trying to do it and adding a wig or extensions into it. I wish so much that I could verbally tell you guys what I'm doing, but I've never been able to be that person to verbally explain something like this. But I am gonna try when I'm getting this edited to have it zoomed in so that you can see really close what my hands are doing. But I'm basically just twisting 2 strands of hair continuously down inside themselves, if that makes sense. I'm sorry, I don't have a verbal a way to explain it for you guys. So once I got both sides twisted back, I then just took a really large hairpin and pinned it, and it was really seriously that easy and that simple to do this style. And just like that, we are done. That is your look. Everything is covered quite nicely. Now, if you decide that you want to take it a step further, you can do that as well. If you don't like that open space in the middle, I'm actually gonna take a rubber band, I think I did, or maybe another hairpin. I can't remember which one I used. And I'm going to consolidate it in the back. So in just a couple of minutes, you'll see me just switch the back up just a little bit and make it look a little bit more full in the back. Sometimes like it's the little things, for example, baby hair, but it's just those little things, those little tweaks that will really enhance the style and just take it to another level. So once I clip this up, y'all know I stay catching a vibe. I hope this video was helpful for everybody who wanted a full tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions, and we will see you on the next one.